Apologize for that little break. We've installed the magazine release, the bolt catch release assembly, and the front takedown pin. So let's continue with our build. Our next set will be the fire control group, which will be the trigger. Let me go ahead and pull this out just to show everybody. In this kit there's a little spring. The big end goes down into the trigger, okay? The top end is smaller, and that's what we've done here. I just don't like pulling on them and stretching them. So your trigger spring, you're going to hook right around this cradle, like so. Well, just like that. And your disconnector will sit on top. And you'll line up these holes through the receiver and use your trigger and your hammer pin. This is how I put them in left to right. Notch in the middle, notch on the left side. So basically flat end first. So let's go ahead and drop this down in here. That's normal, that thing. There we go. Try to line up these holes. Get tension on one and just keep pushing. Flip it over, push it through. Now with your hammer, like so. This will ride basically on the pin you just put in on the outsides of it. Through this hole. Now I've never had one that went in without a little tap. Line it up, push it through. Okay. Safety selector. Leave it on fire. Turn it upside down. Now I'm going to go with a grip from the 60s I found. It fits my hand a lot better. It's a lot more round. This will be coming in your kit normally. The Hogue overmolded is real nice. There's a billion different grips. I'm just throwing together something I had. So that'll go there. Go ahead and drop your bullet detent in on the safety. I see that we're missing a spring. It has gone somewhere. We'll get to that shortly. There it is. Okay. These are your parts left. Go ahead, put your rear takedown pin with the notch facing the buttstock in. That's the way the detent will sit in there. Drop your detent and your spring. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead. Some of the 6-position stocks will have this piece here that will go between the receiver and your 6-position tube. This A2 does not. But before we screw it all the way in, we need to drop in this spring and the biggest detent to keep the buffer from coming out. Make sure that's good and tight. Alright. We'll slide the buttstock on. Okay. JJ, I know you remember that. if you're watching. All right. Spring, buffer. We've got our bolt carrier group and charge handle already in that. Oh, go ahead and check your rear takedown spring. Pull it out just a little bit and twist it left to right to make sure the detent goes in. All right, that's good and solid. We'll test our mag release. Bolt release works. Safety works. Beautiful. And there you have it. Our 7.62 by 39 build.